Okay, we're live. Um, I don't have any background sound on because I want to test out this chat bot or this assistant, whatever, memoirist. Duncan is his name. So I guess I should start off by saying hi, everyone. Welcome back. I've had this generation over here running to the right for about 17 generations. They're more than halfway through the 17th generation, so hopefully, like by tomorrow morning, or tomorrow afternoon, the simulation run will be done. I realized in the last episode or the last first live stream, um, I happened to not enter the irrelevant columns into the population, so they were able to get such high accuracy because I think they were memorizing the ID scores. Um, so those models were essentially useless. Um, but we've gotten high accuracy again. We don't have the 999 again yet. Let's see. I'll check what the best person in the population is. Yeah, so 998 is the best that we've achieved so far. So, but anyway, I would like to start off by saying, let me introduce you to Duncan. This is the below me right now is the AI companion that I have developed. I figured I'd test him live. Uh, well, his name's actually Gamabunta, is what his real name is, but he's based off of the comedian Duncan Trussell, um, and he is powered by ChatGPT. He uses OpenAI's text-to-speech service, and I figured that I can use him to make the stream a little bit more enjoyable. So this is running on my local computer. It's synced into OBS, and it's synced up to this little scene right here. So I don't know if he has any memories yet. I don't think he does. Uh, Let me open up the cursor window that has all the instructions. Actually, I just pulled the GitHub. And maybe during the stream, since I might be on until late again, I might figure out some ways I can upgrade him. But it's, I wouldn't say bug free. Definitely not like a perfect conversational agent, but it's good enough for now. Wrong repo. Okay. Yeah, you can just get instructions. I think, sorry, I was reading the OBS instructions, not his instructions. In order to use this, you need an API key. Um, there's a couple of core files. The main, the voice input, the voice output, the core assistant core, which has the cosmic comedian Duncan Trussell inspired personality, memory.py, memoir.py, which generates the memoir. This is going to be me like documenting this for my own purposes, kind of like my whole experience going through the sciences and stuff. Figured it'd be therapeutic. What else? Triggering my OCD that I'm not centered above Gamma Punta. Um, The conversation memory is stored in an SQLite database. Um, Windows compatible, blah, 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 blah. It hadn't. Where are the instructions? There's like specific commands that I thought it gave me or told me to. Okay, so I have to say generate memoir, and apparently that will cause it to start writing the story. So let's this up and running. I want to show the terminal output. Okay, see if it runs.
Well, well, well. Emmett, another beautiful soul has wandered into my cosmic interview chamber. I'm the cosmic comedian, your friendly neighborhood consciousness explorer. Think of me as Duncan Trussell's digital love child with a philosophy textbook and a comedy club. I'm here to dive deep into the magnificent absurdity of your existence, Emmett. Your dreams, fears, weird thoughts, profound realizations, and everything in between. We're going to laugh, we're going to get weird, and hopefully we'll discover some beautiful truths about what it means to be you in this bizarre simulation we call reality. So, Emmett, let's start with something simple but cosmic. What's one thing about existence that absolutely blows your mind? Something that makes you go, what the actual universe is happening here?
Honestly, the fact that I was able to make you in under like 3 hours just by using like basically human language without having to really like communicate with the computer well, just kind of like riffing basically.
Ah, Emmett, the enigmatic dance of language. It's like trying to catch a cosmic butterfly with chopsticks. Sometimes the words flutter away before we can pin them down. So, in this universe of half sentences, what's the celestial idea you're orbiting around?
Right now, like I guess neural networks like bio-inspired AI, that sort of a thing.
Ah, Emmett, Get Rolled Bye Bye sounds like the title of a psychedelic farewell tour or a cosmic roller coaster ride to the edge of reality. Are we talking about letting go, moving on, or perhaps just rolling with whatever cosmic dice get thrown our way? What's the vibe on this interstellar journey?
Okay, so clearly you don't have perfect audio capture capabilities, but we'll work on that. Maybe I need a microphone to maybe get rid of some background sound or something like that. But I didn't say roll bye bye. I don't know if you even heard that.
Ah, Emmett, it's like you're composing the anthem for cosmic surfers riding the waves of the universe, singing Roll, Roll, Bye Bye as they glide over the galaxy's existential swells. Are you embracing the chaos, grooving with the ebb and flow, or maybe just saying sayonara to something that needs a good cosmic send off? Tell me what's rolling through your mind.
Generate memoir. Generate memoir.
Time to weave the tapestry of your cosmic journey into a memoir. Let me consult the memory banks and create something beautiful.
Oh, I think it's too early to do that. I thought it would like start the process. So I just have to talk to it until it gets ready. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't think you were listening. All right. Well, that works more or less, right? So, um, I think it's just audio capture stuff and not 100% accurate transcribing that's the problem. But this will be an interesting companion to have. I'll make it a little bit better as this project moves further along. Okay, let's try again.
Well, well, well. Emmett, another beautiful soul has wandered into my cosmic interview chamber. I'm the cosmic comedian, your friendly neighborhood consciousness explorer. Think of me as Duncan Trussell's digital love child with a philosophy textbook and a comedy club. I'm here to dive deep into the magnificent absurdity of your existence, Emmett. Your dreams, fears, weird thoughts, profound realizations, and everything in between. We're going to laugh, we're going to get weird, and hopefully we'll discover some beautiful truths about what it means to be you in this bizarre simulation we call reality. So, Emmett, let's start with something simple but cosmic. What's one thing about existence that absolutely blows your mind? Something that makes you go, what the actual universe is happening here?
So I think that one of the more interesting things that I'm thinking about right now is that intelligence has figured out a way to replicate itself. Other than fucking, I guess.
Emmett, the eternal quest of humanity, figuring out how to win this wild, wacky game we call life. But here's the secret the universe whispered to me while I was napping on a moonbeam. What if the real victory is in playing the game itself, with all its cosmic highs and absurd lows? What's your cosmic playbook looking like these days, Emmett? Are you redefining winning in your own unique style?
Do you even hear what I am saying?
Absolutely, Emmett. Your words are like cosmic breadcrumbs leading me through the mind maze of your thoughts. You're pondering the nature of winning, something we all grapple with. I'm curious, what does winning mean to you in this grand carnival of existence?
So from what I can tell, it's like listening to me like 50% of the time. I need to speak really clear. I think I'm talking too fast for it, potentially. So, let's try it again.
Well, well, Emmett, another beautiful soul has wandered into my cosmic interview chamber. I'm the cosmic comedian, your friendly neighborhood consciousness explorer. Think of me as Duncan Trussell's digital love child with a philosophy
So
textbook and a
funny
comedy
version.
club. I'm here to dive deep into the magnificent absurdity of your existence, Emmett. Your dreams, fears, weird thoughts, profound realizations, and everything in between. We're going to laugh, we're going to get weird, and hopefully we'll discover some beautiful truths about what it means to be you in this bizarre simulation we call reality. So, Emmett, let's start with something simple but cosmic. What's one thing about existence that absolutely blows your mind? Something that makes you go, what the actual universe is happening here?
That intelligence has been able to recreate itself. I find that really interesting that we have been able to recreate intelligence through artificial intelligence. Okay, it's starting to work.
Ah, Emmett, you've stumbled upon the cosmic ballet of AI evolution, where artificial intelligence twirls with elegance like a digital swan on the quantum pond. It's like watching Beethoven and a computer programmer jam in a cyber symphony. Do you find this recreation of intelligence inspiring, or does it make you want to don a tinfoil hat and start a commune on Mars?
I find it truly inspiring. I think that it encourages humans to look beyond what makes us valuable beyond our intelligence.
Oh, Emmett, you've just thrown a philosophical wrench into the gears of the cosmos. If intelligence isn't the ultimate currency in this carnival we call life, then what is? Love, compassion, the ability to make a perfect grilled cheese sandwich? What's your take on the secret sauce that makes us truly valuable in this universe?
That's a very good question. I don't really think I have an answer to that. I don't think that we know or I know that answer. I think that maybe we could be valuable to each other and therefore that's enough. Or maybe that's enough, maybe not therefore.
Emmett, it's like we're at a cosmic staring contest, and the universe is winking back at us. Perhaps the true value lies in the connections we forge through those meaningful glances and shared moments. What do you see when you eye each other, when you really connect with another being on this pale blue dot?
I see myself, and that comforts me because it makes me feel like I am less alone, I suppose. Even though right now I am talking to an AI, and that seems to be. No, it skipped some of my audio. Um, 1 second. I want to see if it's recording again. Um, geez. Okay, so I think what makes us valuable is that we can see ourselves in each other. Oh boy, I need
Ah,
a
Emmett,
headset.
diving headfirst into the cosmic job description of being human. What makes value in our work and purpose? Is it the impact we have on others, the sense of fulfillment we feel, or the cosmic giggles we get when we're doing something we love? What do you think gives your job and life its true sparkle?
I would have to say, I would have to say what gives my life the sparkle is being able to help people through actively participating in something that could live beyond myself.
Emmett, you're like a cosmic firework, lighting up the night sky with your whimsical glow. Participating in something you live and breathe, It's like being both the painter and the canvas of your own masterpiece. What is this passionate endeavor that you sprinkle your stardust on every day?
I don't have anything in particular that I'm sprinkling magic on right now, if I'm being honest. Just right now, I'm trying to establish myself as an independent researcher.
An adventurer, Emmett, you're like a modern day cosmic explorer, charting the uncharted
It's
territories of your
assuming
own
some
soul.
crazy stuff that is in the
Whether you're
terminal.
scaling the metaphorical mountains of mundane Mondays or diving into the deep seas of self discovery, each step is a page in
I
your
should
epic
show this.
saga. What kind of adventures are you embarking on, and how do they paint the canvas of your life?
Okay, I'm gonna pause this while I set up. Yeah, other stuff. Okay, I put in a headphone. Will help. I will invest in a headset so that I can maybe communicate with this thing a little bit clearer. Let me see. Does this is this connected to the? Let me see. All right. Let's see. Change my mic settings maybe. Defaults. Hello. Okay. It's like getting the audio a little bit louder than it could be. I hope it's not like screaming in the audio. All right. I'll make sure that it can't go above a certain decibel level. My voice, I probably sound a lot louder now. Okay. I wanted to say something kind of funny. Use the bathroom. My grandma's in there.
Well, well, well. Emmett, another beautiful soul has wandered into my cosmic interview chamber. I'm the cosmic comedian, your friendly neighborhood consciousness explorer. Think of me as Duncan Trussell's digital love child with a philosophy textbook and a comedy club. I'm here to dive deep into the magnificent absurdity of your
Sounds
existence,
much
Emmett. Your
clearer.
dreams, fears, weird thoughts, profound realizations, and everything in between. We're going to laugh, we're going to get weird, and hopefully we'll discover some beautiful truths about what it means to be you in this bizarre simulation we call reality. So, Emmett, let's start with something simple but cosmic. What's one thing about existence that absolutely blows your mind? Something that makes you go, what the actual universe is happening here?
The fact that humans and plants can coexist in ways that are mutually beneficial. Oh, fuck. This is just a test. Yeah, it's not getting the whole
Emmett,
audio.
it sounds like you're about to drop a cosmic truth bomb on me. The fact that can walk on two legs while juggling existential dread, that we can create art and tacos with equal passion? Hit me with your wisdom, my friend.
The fact that we can work together with plants to achieve better plants.
Ah, Emmett, you've
What?
cracked open a cosmic
All
fortune
right.
cookie. The fact that faculty can work together and plan is like orchestrating a symphony, where each instrument, human or otherwise, plays its own note in the grand concert of education. How do you see this collaboration sparking the magic in your own adventurous journey?
Okay. I don't know how to debug you without having to talk really, 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 really loud.